Hello friends, welcome to tutorial 1, simple geometry creation through Mastercam Lathe version 2024. In this section we are going to demonstrate how to create simple geometry for lathe parts. This is an example of a part where the front of the part x0, z0, from here everything is z minus, z plus, x plus and x minus. Few things we need to set up in Mastercam before we start. Let's take a new part. Now I could see here it's in millimeters. We need to change to inches. File, configuration, inch, because our part is an inch part. Next, we are going to draw a rectangle, wireframe, rectangle from here to there, minus 5 in Z and plus 3.25 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because we are drawing only half of the round part, the radiuses, actually not the diameter, because if we cut the radius, the diameter shape will come up on the lathe. Say enter, right click, fit. Next, we're going to draw some parallel lines. So from the front 1.375, then from that 0.375 line another 0.375, and then from the front 3.125. Parallel, one 0.375, point 375, (3.125), and from the back 1.25. Okay, so all vertical parallel lines are drawn. Now we shall be looking for the horizontal parallel lines. So 1.25, 1.75 and 2.5. (1.25) divided by 2. (1.75) divided by 2 and 2.5 divided by 2. Okay, kind of the skeleton. Now we need to clean up some of the lines. If you see the 1.25 line, which is the first one, we need up to here, and this we can trim it off. So we can trim this to here, and then this line we don't need up to here. And then we can draw a line from this point to this point. Okay. Now we don't need this line up to here. Okay. Let's go back. So we have drawn up to here. Then we can trim this line and that line. This line we can trim up to here, and that line we can trim up to here. This line we can trim up to here, this line up to here, this line up to here, and this line up to here, this line here, and that's our trimming. We don't need these two lines. Shift, highlight, delete. Now we can use some fillets. Two places, 0.25 fillet, 0.25, okay, and we have a small fillet at the front, 0.0625. Okay. Anything else? We need to change our coordinate system. So when we go to planes and when we select the lathe, we have to go plus D plus Z. Geometry view, work coordinate system, construction plane, and tool plane. Okay, now I'm not going to create the stock or anything like that. This is just a simple video of how to create a geometry. I may add a solid. So I'll create the solid in another plane. Number 2, solid. And over here, I'll go to solid, revolve. Isometric, top. While programming, we don't need solid. We can make the program through geometry. I'll be creating a very simple finish toolpath. Machine, lathe default. Maybe a facing program first. Lot of options. Face. select this tool, soft material, okay. Face parameters, select points, okay, and say where, and then a finish tool path. Start at this corner and finish at this corner. There's a lot into it, but I'm trying a very simple one. Okay. For facing, let us change the geometry a little bit. Draw a line from here perpendicular to this line, and the length is 3.5, maybe the raw material divided by 2. And let's change the geometry. Okay, if you use both the programs, this is how it will look. Now if you post the program through G1, you will get the G code. Thank you for watching.